So now we will talk about next case. This case is, let's take example of asthma. Yes, this is chronic case again. And in asthma is you cannot breathe. Yes, patient cannot breathe. This is excessive of dryness energy in this lungs, in respiratory system. So you can do treatment on lung meridian, as you know, dryness sedation, heat tonification, and you will inform the brain. So now we have patterns in chronic cases. What we can do, because in chronic cases, if there is asthma, don't you think that this will affect other system also? This will affect full body also. Yes, in this case we can choose two meridians, one step on lung meridian and second step on the axial relationship meridian. For example, lung has connection with the heart meridian in axial relationship. So what you can do, sedate dryness in lung meridian and tonify heat in heart meridian. But here, because this is chronic case, so you can do tonification step first, tonification of heat in lung meridian, and you can sedate dryness in heart meridian. Yes, so you can do like this. And also you can do same treatment on chakra. And let's see. So here we will choose a lung meridian. You see, this is lung meridian. Yes, so first let's focus local approach. Just we will focus on lung meridian. Of course, yes, you can combine. One day you do lung meridian, just focus on lung meridian, and second day you can do together with heart meridian. So when you are doing treatment on lung meridian, please understand you are tonifying heat in the lung meridian and you are sedating dryness in the lung meridian. So you are treating on one meridian up and down, heat tonification, dryness sedation. This is like vertical treatment. Yes, you are not spreading your treatment on the other meridian. So you're not choosing two meridian. So when you are doing actual treatment on one meridian, this is vertical pattern. Okay, so in lung meridian, you tonify heat, sedate dryness, and you inform the brain meridian. Same treatment, copy paste, tonify heat and sedate dryness in brain meridian. Okay, now second day, another day, what you can do is now you can do this treatment on axial meridian. Like you know that lung meridian has axis with the heart meridian. Yes, this is lung meridian is dryness and heart meridian is heat. You know this. Also, you can think from structural and functional point of view. In structural, lung is dryness meridian. This meridian is carrying dryness energy, and as per functional, lung is carrying wind energy. Okay, so let's take now functional style. Okay, if I take functional style, then this is wind meridian. Yes, lung meridian is wind meridian. Then here you can make axis, you will make axis with the spleen meridian. Lung is wind and wind has axis with the spleen meridian. And when you see, this looks like a buell meridian. Okay, so let's understand again structural axial pair and functional axial pair. Structural, lung is dryness and it has axial relationship with the heart meridian. This is dryness, lung meridian is dryness and heart meridian is heat. This is structural approach. Functional, in functional approach you see lung meridian as wind meridian, and wind meridian has axial relationship with the humidity. Okay, now we are choosing functional pair. So wind and humidity pair. Okay, so lung meridian, respiratory system, we are looking in wind meridian, because you can, because this person has anger also, yin anger also. This person doesn't have any sadness, and you know that lung meridian has connection with the sadness also when you see from structural point of view. Yes, and lung meridian has connection with the anger when you see from functional point of view. So in this case, we diagnose that this person has yin anger, a lot of yin anger, no sadness at all. Yes, so that is why we select this functional axial pair, lung meridian as wind. So we tonify heat in lung meridian and sedate dryness in spleen meridian. So heat tonification and dryness sedation is our treatment protocol. But on which meridians we are doing? We are doing on functional pair. Yes, which has actual relationship. So wind and humidity, lung is wind and spleen is humidity. Yes, so heat tonification in lung meridian, dryness sedation in spleen meridian, and you inform the brain heat tonification and dryness sedation. You understand this? So we did vertical simple local treatment without thinking structural and functional. When patient has some problem in some organ, you simply go to that organ related meridian and do whatever treatment you want to do. Yes, and we are not going on neighbor meridian. This is called vertical. But now in this treatment protocol, I am explaining all patterns. Okay, so when we are doing axial meridian, yes, so we have two choices. Lung is together with the heart, and lung is as wind energy, as wind is together with the spleen, structural and functional. So you can do this colors. And because this is chronic problem, you can do the same treatment on this chakra. Now, please understand one thing. This chakra, yes, which chakra has connection with the lung? When you see this wind chakra, yes, yin side, this wind chakra can give energy to liver, and also this wind chakra functionally can give energy to the lung. Okay, so this chakra is very good for supplying energy. This is wind energy for sure. Okay, don't confuse. This wind chakra is always giving wind energy. Okay, but this wind energy can go to the lung pipeline and can also go to the liver pipeline. Okay, because functional and structural. So this chakra is there, which is connected to lung, and also dryness chakra is connected to the lung. So this dryness chakra can give energy to the lung structurally, and also this dryness chakra can give energy to the kidney functionally. So if we choose functional approach, so lung as wind, because this person has yin anger. So instead of choosing this dryness chakra, we are choosing wind chakra, because this person has asthma and also yin anger. So functionally, we are choosing, from functional point of view, we are choosing wind chakra to treat the lung. Okay, so in this wind chakra, thinking about lung here, because connection with the lung, so here we will sedate, or first we will do tonification, because chronic is tonify heat point with red color, sedate dryness point with the red color, and you inform the ajna, same treatment. First step, tonify heat and sedate the dryness. Okay, now please don't forget to do correspondence treatment on the lung, main system, insect system, mini system. Try to find painful point. If you combine your 6K and correspondence treatment, your treatment quality is enhanced. Yes, so don't forget to do correspondence treatment. And then I always tell that whenever you are treating chronic cases, please do treatment on energy points. On one hand, you can do energy point treatment also. If chronic cases, pay attention to yin energy point. And one day energy point and other day endocrine gland points treatment. This is very, very effective treatment. With 6K, you do this energy point or endocrine gland and your 6K colors. And then pay attention to your, food habit, lifestyle pattern. This is very, very important. And then lastly, smile. You have to, therapist should smile. Yes, therapist should smile first. Doctor should smile first. And this smiling energy can push your patient to smile. And when your patient is smiling, all your 6K treatment is working very quickly. So don't just apply formula. This is consciousness treatment, and it is doing wonders. And if you really pay attention to all these steps, yes, and we will discuss more cases. Okay, smile.